For the month of April, I'm doing something very special. I am releasing my no bow guide to jazz piano, and it is going to be absolutely free for all of my subscribers on YouTube. So let's talk about what it is that you're going to get in this no bow guide. So we're going to be covering several different things. We're going to be talking about progressions, chord voicings, how to comp chords, jazz rhythm, improvisation, scales for improvisation, how to improvise. And even if you've never improvised before, my beginner track is going to show you real bare bones, simple how to get started with improvisation. And all of this is step by step. So in this video, I just want to kind of go through how do you get all of the resources and find everything that you're going to need so that you know exactly when the lessons are going to be coming out and how to access them. All right, so every day, the lesson is going to come out at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. It will show up on my YouTube channel. There are going to be two different playlists. There's going to be a no bow guide to jazz piano for beginners and no bow guide to jazz piano for intermediate and advanced players. Okay, so just look for those playlists, and all of those lessons will be right in that playlist in order. Lessons are free on YouTube for the month of April. Members of No Bow Piano and JAZZEDGE and Piano and Willie get access for as long as their membership is good. Okay, so if you want to make sure that you have access after the month of April, then I'm going to show you in a little bit how you can get access to the site and all of those lessons and resources. The sheet music and the resources are going to be free as well. There's going to be a link right below this video. All you need to do is just put in your name and email address there, and I'll explain that to you in a second as well. And like I said, there's some special pricing on No Bow Piano that is going to happen until May 1st. All right, so to download the resources, the first thing I suggest you do is please join our Facebook group. Okay, right in there, I'm going to do a lot of my communication with students through the Facebook group for the month of April, so be sure to join the Facebook group. You can also post your videos in the Facebook group and get feedback from me and from other students. So it's a real nice collaboration and a great way to stay accountable. The other way is to go back to nobowpiano.com and then /NBGJP. That's No Bow Guide Jazz Piano. Okay, so NBGJP. All right. When you're there, you're going to see this. So there's going to be a page with information, and then look for that form at the bottom of the page to put in your name and email address. Just fill that out, and then you will get to all of the resources. And just be sure to bookmark that page. Again, that is NBGJP, nobowpiano.com /NBGJP, all right? Or the link is right below this video as well. So when you're on the Facebook group, like I said, please share your videos. You could tag them No Bow Piano, JAZZEDGE. That would be appreciated. Join in on the conversation. Don't be shy. If you want to learn jazz, you want to learn how to improvise and learn your chords and progressions and all of that, you gotta put yourself out there. It's a great group of people, very, very supportive. I will be in there and answering your questions as well. And then also subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's right here, youtube.com /JAZZEDGE. Be sure to subscribe, and then also turn on the notifications so that you know when the next lesson is available. So these lessons are only going to be on YouTube for free for the month of April. Come May, they will all be taken down. So if you're interested in a full membership to No Bow Piano, if you just follow that link that I told you about, or the link right below this video, you can get some information on that as well. All right, so that's it for me. Thank you so much. I look forward to working with you each day. If you have questions on the material, go ahead and leave your comments below any of the videos, or put your comments in the No Bow Piano Facebook group. All right, and I'll see you in the lessons.